Firefighters. Play to start.
Hello there, fellow firefighters. Welcome to our firehouse. Help me collect all my firefighting gear so we can be ready to fight this fire. To move me left and right, press the left and right arrow keys on your keyboard. Swim-sational! To help me jump over things in our way, press the spacebar on your keyboard. When you see an exit sign, press the down arrow on gloves. These will protect my hands from the fire. Go over the ramp to get the next firefighter badge. Fantastic! No time to play now, Bubble Puppy. Fire jacket. This will keep me safe from the fire. Megaphone. On my way down. Nice. Only a few more left. Fire extinguisher. This will help put out the fire. Fire hat. This will protect my head. Great. We're all geared up. Now let's get in our trucks and go. No time to play.
Glad you made it, Molly. We're revved up and ready to go.
Fantastic! Use your mouse to click on each fire truck to help them roll out.
Give me some speed. To turn our sirens on and off, use your mouse to click on the fire trucks. Gaskets! It looks like some animals are stuck in those buildings.
Marshall, you can rescue them with your ladder.
We need to rescue all 7 animals before time runs out. To move Marshall's truck under each animal, press the left or right arrow on your keyboard. Tire Bunny! We saved the bunny. Cat! We saved the cat. Snake! You're safe now, monkey! We saved the monkey. Frog! We rescued the frog! Lizard! You're safe now, lizard. Turtle! The turtle is saved! All right! We saved all of the animals! Now it's time to put out those flames. I need your help. For me to shoot water from my cannon, we need to put the shaped gears in the holes that match. Use your mouse to click on a gear, then click again on the hole that's not it. Try again. Octagon. Perfect. Great work! Now my water cannon is ready to go. Time to blaze into some fast firefighting action. To help me put out the fire, move your mouse over to a window where you see flames. We put out the fire. And tap. We put out the fire. We put out the fire. We put out the fire. Nice work! Almost fire extinguished! We did it! We put out the fire!
What great teamwork! We saved all the animals and put out all the fires.
And we couldn't have done it without your high-speed help.
I think we've all earned our firefighter badges. Click on each of us to give us our badges. And here's a badge for you, too. Hello there, fellow firefighters.
Skip!
Welcome to our firehouse. Blaze Mark